Hello everybody. Well, I went to see my new booth, and because I'm renting a booth from a woman, and she's relocating, and my booth's gonna be bigger, and so I'm going from a 4x6 to a 6x6, which it ain't much bigger, but it makes a difference. Like if you got furniture, that 2 foot helps a lot. And I left there though. We had to meet up at 2. From 2 to 6, she said you come by today and pick your booth. And I talked to her the other day. I said, before I knew we'd pick, and I said, well, pick me one that's not in a dark corner in the back. And she said, she's going to do it this way to be fair. And so I get there probably about 10 till 2. And I go in, and there's a name stuck in every booth except one. And I'm like, I thought everybody had to wait till 2. And she said that, I think one was in the hospital or something, or somebody they knew was, and they couldn't make it by that day. And I was like, well, that's not fair. And it's not. So I took the last booth. But when I left there, I just felt like my energy had been drained. I guess disappointment. I didn't want to get there early and try to be pushy. And to me, if it was mine, I would set a day, and if you couldn't make it, you would take what's left. Not the people who were there when I tell you to come. That's the way I would do it. But well, it's 2 of them really. I don't know one of them real good, but I've talked to one a lot. She's a real sweet lady, and she probably couldn't say no, But yeah, that got me down. And I'm even though I told her we'll stick my name up there, I'm kind of wondering if I want to do it, because I got asthma and COPD, and I'm just tired, and I got to get a full-time job very soon, support myself, and then I got all this yard work and all, and my house is junked up. I gotta get rid of some junk, but I got the opportunity to sell some stuff there, and they don't really want it looking yard sale-ish, but mine might start looking yard sale-ish. I gotta get rid of stuff, and because see, we also can't put screws in the wall. We gotta use command hooks, or I think she's talking about those kind of look like a needle, but they got the little hook. So I can't hang my posts that I had, the post with a light on it. I can't hang my half post. And so the only thing I'll be able to use that I've got in my booth now is my bookshelf and that desk. Yeah. And I'm only going to have one wall because it's a room. And I'm kind of in the middle. So I have no walls but one. Okay, here's a picture I took on my phone of my new booth. There's some tape on the wall, and there's some tape on the wall. So there'll be somebody over here, and there'll be somebody over here. And that's my only wall. And then I'll have 6 foot out on the floor. So as far as hanging things, I got one wall, unless I can create something to hang things on. So that's it. And I kind of prefer my 4x6. I have walls, and I put screws, and I couldn't put any furniture. That's the only thing. But I can't haul furniture. So I don't know. I'm probably gonna, because she's just gonna get everybody to sign a new lease since she's in this building, but it was time for mine anyway. And I might do it, I think she does it for 6 months. She'll probably keep doing it 6 months at least. I may do it once or twice, if I do any. I may just not. I may just go get my stuff and focus on my house and yard. And I was thinking I could sell, put stuff on Facebook Market or something and sell it from my house, but the inside of the house needs a lot before I'd let anybody in. and the yard's overgrown and the house needs painting, and it's just, so I probably will rent the booth for a little while longer just to clean out some stuff, I guess. I don't know, and I may just give up on that and just do a piece here and there. I don't know, but it's got me down. I don't know why. I'm gonna try to get a better attitude about it. Once I decide what I'm gonna do, if I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna try to get over my little hurt feelings and all, and try to get a good attitude about it, and you know, sit down and start planning. But what I'm gonna do now, since I just got home from a disappointment, I'm gonna watch about 3 hours of TV. That'll get my mind off of reality. You know, I've been through the ringer lately with some issues. It's like, geez. But it really got me thinking. It really got me down. But maybe it shouldn't. But that one wall, you know, I have one wall. And I can, she kind of wants it open, you know, where it's not like everybody walled off. But I'm going to do what I'm going to do. But I don't think I could build something and haul it and waste that much time making a wall that would be sturdy and not kill somebody, you know, and all that if it fell over. So, I don't know. And I don't have enough bookshelves to go across. I got that one set. And I think they were, I don't know, I can't remember how much they cost, but they cost too much for me now. So, you know, I got my little spool thing, but I'll figure something out. But, you know, it'll work out eventually. Something will. But today, it's not working out. But anyway, hope y'all have a good day, and see you later. Bye, y'all.